Right, so for this one, it doesn't matter if we do Bolzano's theorem or intermediate value theorem. If you're using intermediate value theorem, you would write it this way: 1 equals 4 tan of theta minus theta. And then like here, 1 is your f of c. I was going to solve this as a Bolzano's theorem one just because I kind of like it better. I feel like it's easier to make it always equal to 0. So first thing we would do is we would rewrite our function so that we have a 0 on one side. So we're going to get 4 times the tangent of theta minus a theta minus a 1 is equal to 0. We do have to be a little careful because tangent of theta has an infinite number of discontinuities, but tangent of theta is discontinuous at pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, basically all of these odd values of pi over 2. Since our function 0 to pi over 4, so our interval 0 to pi over 4 doesn't contain a pi over 2, we're good though. So it's just continuous on this particular interval. All right, so then now let's figure out what we got. We got an f of 0, we got an f of pi over 4. So f of 0 is going to be 4 times the tangent of 0 minus 1. Oh, like I say in the hint, right? Theta functions like x. It's a variable, it's an unknown, it's a value within the domain. So I can plug in 0 for theta, just like theta was an x. All right, so tangent of 0 is 0. So 0 minus 1. This is going to be minus 1, which is a negative number. So hopefully this is going to be a positive. We're going to get 4 times the tangent of pi over 4. Tangent of pi over 4 is equal to 1. So this is going to be 4 times 1 minus pi over 4 minus 1. All right, so 4 minus 1, that's going to be 3. 3 minus pi over 4. So I could figure this out if I really wanted to, but I know that pi is like 3-ish, right? 3.14. So this is like 3 minus about 3/4. Any way that you slice it, this is going to be greater than 0. Right, so using Bolzano's theorem, we have a negative endpoint and a positive y value at an endpoint. So then our conclusion would be something like since 4 tangent of theta minus 1 is continuous on this interval 0 to pi over 4, that closed interval. And since f of 0 was less than 0 and f of pi over 4 was greater than 0, Bolzano's theorem guarantees a solution. It's not a solution. There's definitely a T. There's like an I. A solution, let's call it C in 0 pi over 4. And if you want a neater write-up, just go to like the neater answer key. These ones was trying to get the videos kind of done and quickly set for you. I'm not trying to write neatly or anything. I did that already.